How to align file level and full system recovery expectations with clients. Ensure you and your clients have aligned expectations for data recovery. Here's a guide on how to align file level and full system recovery expectations with clients. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why communicate with clients on data recovery expectations? While creating and maintaining a data recovery plan is essential for any MSP, communicating those recovery procedures and expectations to clients is just as important. Aligning with clients on how file level and full system recovery work helps ensure they understand the recovery process, timelines, and potential limitations. Here are 6 ways to ensure you and your clients are aligned on file level and full system recovery expectations. 6 ways to align data recovery expectations with clients. Define recovery types in plain language. Explain file level and full system recovery in simple, everyday language. Avoid overly technical and unfamiliar IT jargon that may confuse clients. Document RTO/RPO expectations by recovery type. Set realistic benchmarks for recovery times and acceptable data loss based on the recovery type. Explain cost and effort trade-offs. Be transparent about which recovery processes require additional infrastructure, technician effort, and recovery resources. Provide recovery workflow examples. Walk clients through each step of the file level and full system recovery workflows so they understand what happens during a real recovery event. Integrate recovery types into SLAs and onboarding. Document recovery processes, workflows, timelines, and expectations within your SLAs and onboarding materials. Demonstrate through recovery drills. Some clients may benefit from seeing the recovery process demonstrated rather than simply described. Demonstrate to them through drills so they can have a clear picture of the operations. With these 6 steps, you can establish realistic recovery expectations, improve transparency, and strengthen client confidence in your recovery strategy. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to align file level and full system recovery expectations linked in the description below.